In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix Call of Duty Mobile from lagging. Now, there is two reasons why you may be experiencing lag on Call of Duty Mobile. Now, one of these will be your internet connection. So you first of all need to check that you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection or to a mobile data connection and make sure that you have got good signal. Now, if your Wi-Fi is working correctly, what we can do to stop lag on Call of Duty Mobile is to go to the top right hand corner on the main homepage to our settings icon. And then from here, you want to go to the left-hand side bar, go down to audio and graphics. And what you need to do is you need to go to graphics quality. Now, what the problem might be is that your device may be a little bit older and it might not be able to keep up with high quality graphics. So what we need to do is go to the graphics here, and mine allows me to use max graphics. So if yours is on max graphics and you're experiencing lag, you need to go to the drop down, and then you can choose from low, medium, high, very high, or max. Now you can experiment with these, and if you click on low and that is working perfectly fine, that's good. If you go to medium and again that's working fine, that's also very good. So you can go through these and choose what sort of graphics your phone personally. You can go to these and choose you can go through these settings and choose which of these settings that your device personally can handle, and then you can set this to the highest that you can possibly use. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix lag on Call of Duty Mobile.